Well, howdy there, partner. If your chimney's looking more worn out than an old saddle, it's high time you called Adam Chimney to fix it up right. Whether it's a busted chimney cap, cracked bricks, or mortar that's crumbling faster than a dry biscuit, we've got you covered with top-notch chimney cap repair, brick tuck pointing, and painting. That old cap, we'll repair or replace it to keep rain, critters, and debris out of your flue. Loose bricks and mortar? Our tuck pointing experts will patch them up good as new, reinforcing your chimney so it stands tall and proud. And for the finishing touch, we'll slap on a fresh coat of durable, weather-resistant paint to protect it from Colorado's wild weather, whether it's snow, rain, or blistering sun. From the homesteads of Lakewood to the busy streets of Denver and down to Aurora, we're here to bring your chimney back to life. So don't let that chimney fall into disrepair. Call Adam Chimney today at 720-207-9232, and we'll have it looking better than a ranch house at sunrise.